In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Instagram not sending security code to email or phone. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of key solutions you can go ahead and do so. First, if it is an email, ensure that your email you're using, so for example, on your Gmail, make sure that it is the email that you have logged in your Instagram with. And if you can't find the mail, go ahead and try to check the spam as well, because sometimes what happens is the mails from Instagram might go to the spam. Also, try to double check that the phone number or email address linked to your account is correct and still active. If you requested codes multiple times, wait at least 24 hours without further attempts to reset the rate limiter timer. If not, you can also try to log in using a web browser instead of the application, as this can bypass app-specific bugs. Also, if not, simply try to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.